The language that opened every door. Many people think that learning English is difficult. They believe they are too busy, too old, or not talented enough. But the truth is different. One day, a young man named Daniel had a dream. He wanted to travel, meet new people, and find a better job. However, there was one problem. He could not speak English. Instead of giving up, Daniel made a simple decision. He studied for just 30 minutes every day. He learned new words, listened to short stories, read simple books, and practiced speaking aloud. At first, his progress was slow. Sometimes he made mistakes. Sometimes he forgot the words he had learned. But he never stopped. After 1 year, everything changed. Daniel could understand English videos without subtitles. He made friends from different countries. He read interesting books, watched educational courses, and found new opportunities that had once seemed impossible. Then he realized an important truth. English was not only a language, it was a key that opened every door. Remember this: every new word you learn makes you stronger. Every page you read makes you wiser. Every minute you practice brings you closer to your dreams. Never be afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake is a lesson, and every lesson is a step toward success. Keep learning, keep reading, keep listening. One day English will change your life.